Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll explore 15 easy vegetarian recipes that naturally boost hemoglobin. You'll learn simple cooking tips to improve iron absorption and the best food combinations for better results. We'll also discuss how to add these meals to your daily diet effortlessly. Making small changes can prevent iron deficiency and keep you active. Check out the detailed recipes in the description and pinned comments. This dal is rich in iron from spinach and protein from lentils. It helps in building red blood cells, which are needed for good hemoglobin levels. The vitamin C in spinach improves iron absorption, making it more effective. Dal palak also keeps energy levels high and prevents tiredness. Enjoy it with rice or roti for a wholesome meal. This soup is packed with iron from beets and vitamin C from tomatoes. It increases hemoglobin and helps oxygen flow better in the body. Carrots add beta-carotene, which supports iron absorption. Drinking this soup regularly can reduce weakness and dizziness. It is light, easy to digest, and perfect for any time of the day. Rajma is a great plant-based iron source, perfect for those with low hemoglobin. The fiber in rajma keeps digestion smooth, helping the body absorb iron better. Adding lemon juice increases vitamin C, making iron absorption more effective. This salad is filling, tasty, and great for boosting energy levels. A simple way to add iron to your diet. Jaggery is a natural iron source that helps in fighting anemia. Coconut adds good fats and nutrients that keep you energized. Eating these laddus regularly improves hemoglobin and prevents fatigue. They are easy to make and a great replacement for unhealthy sweets. A perfect iron-rich dessert. This dish gives double benefits, iron from spinach and protein from moong dal. It improves hemoglobin and helps muscle recovery. The fiber in moong dal makes digestion easy, preventing bloating. Adding ghee enhances nutrient absorption, making it even more effective. A comforting meal for better health. Moringa is a superfood with high iron and vitamin C, making it great for anemia. It strengthens the immune system and keeps bones strong. Adding whole wheat flour gives fiber, making digestion better. Eat it with curd or chutney for a balanced meal. A simple yet powerful way to add iron to your diet. Beetroot idli is a fun way to add iron to your meals. Beets improve blood circulation and increase hemoglobin naturally. The fermentation process in idli makes digestion easy and nutrients more available. Eating these idlis regularly keeps energy levels high. Serve with coconut chutney for a delicious and healthy meal. Bajra is rich in iron and fiber, which supports digestion and boosts hemoglobin. Spinach adds extra iron and keeps blood healthy. These cutlets are crispy, tasty, and a great evening snack. They also keep sugar levels balanced, making them good for overall health. Enjoy them with mint chutney for extra flavor. This chutney is packed with iron, protein, and good fats. Moringa gives a big iron boost, while peanuts add energy and healthy fats. A small spoon of this chutney improves iron levels naturally. Eat it with roti, dosa, or rice for a nutrition-packed meal. A simple way to make every meal healthier. Ragi is one of the best sources of plant-based iron. Chia seeds add fiber and omega-3, making it a complete meal. This porridge is light on the stomach and keeps you full for long. Eating this regularly can help boost hemoglobin levels naturally. A perfect breakfast option for a healthy start to the day. Beetroot hummus is a delicious way to add iron to your meals. Beets increase hemoglobin, while chickpeas add protein and fiber for better digestion. A little lemon juice in hummus boosts iron absorption naturally. This creamy dip is perfect with roti, veggies, or as a spread for sandwiches. A simple, tasty, and healthy way to fight anemia. Lobia, or black-eyed peas, is full of iron and plant-based protein, making it great for anemia. It helps build red blood cells, improving oxygen flow in the body. Spices like turmeric and cumin add antioxidants, boosting overall health. Eating lobia masala with rice or chapati makes a balanced, filling meal. A simple and tasty way to improve hemoglobin levels. These laddus are packed with iron from jaggery and sesame seeds. Jaggery helps in increasing hemoglobin naturally, while sesame seeds provide calcium and good fats. Eating one laddu daily can keep energy levels high and fight fatigue. This traditional sweet is perfect for anemia and overall bone strength. A guilt-free dessert for better health. This chila combines iron-rich spinach with protein-packed chana dal. It improves hemoglobin and keeps muscles strong. The fiber in chana dal makes digestion easy and keeps you full for long. Eating this chila with chutney or curd makes a complete, balanced meal. A perfect breakfast to boost iron naturally. Moong sprouts are packed with iron, fiber, and protein. They help in making more red blood cells and improving oxygen levels in the body. Adding lemon juice increases vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron better. This salad is light, fresh, and perfect as a snack or side dish. A simple and easy way to include more iron in your diet. Adding iron-rich foods to your diet can improve hemoglobin and fight anemia naturally. Include a mix of green leafy vegetables, legumes, and whole grains for the best results. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like lemon, tomatoes, and oranges for better absorption. Avoid tea and coffee right after meals as they block iron absorption. Small diet changes can lead to big health benefits. Here is today's summary. Iron-rich foods are essential to fight anemia and keep your energy levels high. Pairing them with vitamin C sources like lemon and oranges helps your body absorb iron better. A mix of dal, leafy greens, and seeds can naturally boost hemoglobin. Avoid tea and coffee right after meals, as they reduce iron absorption. Making small diet changes can have a big impact on your health. Start including these foods daily for better energy and overall well-being. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Taking care of your health starts with simple food choices. Adding iron-rich meals can boost your energy and prevent anemia naturally. Small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe and share it with others. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.